Okay, sorry about this, guys. Electricity went off all of a sudden. So let's continue what I was doing. So yeah, let's do it. So here we go. I was here. Okay, and continue. Now I am at the last one. Just go in. Okay, and grab the yarn. See? Okay, this is the last one, which was the starting one. Here we go. And then I'm gonna go inside my space and make a single crochet. Just like this. And then one chain and cut my tail. Just grab the yarn and pull nicely. Here we go. Sorry. So I finished my straps. Alright, so zoom out a bit. Here we go. So here we go. As you can see, I finished my straps. They are like, this is the back part. As I told you, I'm gonna turn it around. And this is the front part. And my top is ready. Now what I'm gonna do in the next section, I'm gonna like hide all these tails. Okay, that was my Pomodoro. I'm gonna hide all these tails inside my work, so it's not visible. It'll be invisible and the top looks clean and beautiful. So let's do it.